So this is it. Actually, I use it as my wallpaper, and you can see. Hi guys, hello people, welcome to a new year. So this is my first video this year and I'm super excited. So I want to be showing you guys how I start off my year right. So in this video I'll be showing you a couple of books I'll be reading this year and how I created my own digital vision board. Yes, my vision board, but digital, so I can put it on my phone as a wallpaper or on my system, just like my desktop screen and everything like that. It is proven to be more effective than just the usual visual board. Visual board is what you just put on a cardboard paper, cardboard sheet, place what you want on it, and then keep it in your house or something. When you leave the house, you're not seeing it. It's only when you go out or you come back, or if you're at home all day. And sometimes you forget to even look at it like regularly. But if it's on your phone or on your system, where we are always at, then you always get to glance at it. So that's how it's very effective. So let's get right into this video where I show you how I create my own vision board for 2023. My name is Lovina Emmanuel. I'm a simple Nigerian event hostess, event coordinator, and event planner in training. Let's get right into this video. So I always start out with planning, writing down the things I envision the year to be like. Once I've written them down, I move over to Canva. Always use Canva. It's very easy to use. I just go to the search button and type phone wallpaper because I want it to fit the screen of my phone as a wallpaper. Then I scroll down and look for images that have text that I could use as a vision board, or you can as well type vision board and then get something you can use. But I chose to use phone wallpaper. And then I saw this and I liked it and I clicked on it. This is how it is. So all I have to do is replace each picture with the picture that best fits my vision for the year or whatever I want to accomplish for the year. I just go to Google, search for it, look for a picture that fits it, screenshot, crop the picture to my desired size, then replace the picture with whatever picture is there on Canva. And that's just it. So I continue doing this, put some words that relate to whatever picture I've posted, increase the size or reduce the size, the font if possible, do more and more, and that's how I create my vision board. It's actually very easy on Canva. You already have a format, so just use it. So this vision board exactly is for my YouTube, as my visions for 2023 for my YouTube channel, and then my visions as an event hostess. I'm going back and forth to Google and Canva just to get the specific or desired image to suit my vision. I can as well use Canva to get these images, but most of them there are on Pro. That if you are using the free version of Canva, then you cannot access these pictures, these images. But if you are using the Pro version, then you can easily access. I am using the free version, and that's why I have to go back and forth Google and Canva just to get what I want, get the picture I want, resize it, and then do whatever editing I need to do on them and take them over to Canvas just to make sure I have everything in place. This is it. This is almost everything I need, all my visions clearly stated, and this is it. So I click on the save button above and save this to camera roll. Yay! So what I do now is go back to my photos, get the image, use it as my wallpaper, select wallpaper, use it as wallpaper. This is it. I just pinch to resize it to my screen size and then click on use as wallpaper. Then here I want to customize my home screen. Home screen is different from like the lock screen and what the home screen has. So I made another vision board some days back. I'm just using that as my home screen, and this is it. Done. Yes, so you can see that I made it into a wallpaper, and this way, wherever I am at, whatever I do, it's always going to be there. I will always be able to like look at it and then get reminded about my visions for this year. If this video was useful to you, kindly smash the like button, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if this is something you want to see more often, useful content that you want to see more often. Kindly subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. Thank you so much.